there, I'm Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and today in front of us we have a Mazzer Mini Espresso coffee grinder. Mazzer is located right outside of Venice. I visited the factory there. It's one place that you're not allowed to take pictures in their production facility. They do have a large facility. You see them making a lot of components for their own grinders. This is different than other manufacturers, and they have very precise controls over the manufacturing process. Actually, every grinder at Mazzer that leaves their facility is actually tested with coffee. So you may find some grinds in the grinder when you first receive it. They do try cleaning the grinders the best they can, but sometimes you will find a little leftover coffee grinds. One thing we like about this grinder, which was carried over for over 10-15 years, is that it's well constructed. Very rare that they break down, and actually for every 1,000 of Mazzer Minis that we sell, we probably get 1 or 2 DOAs. Very, very low percentage. We can't even remember the last time we had a DOA on the grinder. This is an industrial grade grinder. It is really for commercial use, although many people put it in their homes. So when you do get the grinder, you'll actually get a little slip here saying it's not for household use, but many people do. We're not sure why they put this in. They really don't want people using their household. And one of the reasons that the grinder now has a timer on the side when you turn it on is for a safety reason in someone's home. When they had the on-off switch for the grinder, they were afraid that people would leave the grinder running because it was so quiet. And actually, I can turn it on right now, and that's the sound of the grinder without beans in it. So with the switch on the side, in case someone turns the grinder on, it's going to shut off. And we can actually turn it off as well. The other thing in the box when you receive the grinder will be the instruction manual. As of the date of this video, the instruction manual is actually for the Super Jolly, the Mini, and the Lux. We do carry the Super Jolly and we do carry the Mini. The Lux is pretty much the Mini with a bigger bean hopper. So you can read the manual once you get it. Inside the box you will have the bean hopper, of course without the beans, its cover, the doser cover in plastic, the tamper, which gets put either on the side here or in the front, and then also the adjustment stem, which gets screwed in on the side. And there's actually multiple holes on the top carrier for the top burr, and this is usually a little simpler to put in. There we go, and just screw that in. Now this grinder is stepless adjustment, and what does that mean? There are no clicked settings for the adjustment. The best thing to do, and a warning on our website, and I'll explain the reason for this warning, is when you're changing the settings, and most importantly when you're going finer, you want to have the grinder running. So you'll turn it on, and finer is that way, which is counterclockwise, and you'll hear the burrs starting to touch. That's your 0 point, and then coarser is clockwise. Before we put this warning on our website, we used to get a lot of phone calls from customers because they didn't do this, and it really doesn't specify in the instruction manual. They would change the settings when the coffee grinder wasn't running. And this really applies to all grinders that are coming out of Europe and even some American grinders. You have 2 burr plates in there inside the grinding chamber. And if you bring them closer together, if there's coffee stuck between the 2 plates, it will actually gunk up into the burrs. And what ends up happening is the grinder will only produce a coarse grind. Even though you bring it down finer and finer, it just doesn't grind fine enough between the 2 mills. So if you run into that issue where someone does change it, the best thing to do is actually take it out to the coarsest setting while it's running with coffee, and then bring it back down slowly to the finer setting with coffee grinds. Other than that, you'll need to take the grinding chamber apart and actually manually clean the burr set. One of the features that they've improved over the last few years is actually a stainless steel drip tray. The older units used to have a plastic drip tray with 2 tabs, and many customers used to complain that the tabs would break, and they did break. So Mazzer designed a nice stainless steel drip tray for the front, which has a little indentation here. Underneath, there's actually a tab so the drip tray gets held into place. This drip tray can be used on older grinders. Unfortunately, the tab cannot be placed on the older grinders, so this drip tray may slide out. In this case, there's resistance there to hold it in place. The doser chamber right here made of stainless steel. You have your doser level to dose the coffee. Of course, you have your bean hopper here, and basically there is a screw that holds the bean hopper in place, and that screw screw hole you need to line up with the screw in the top of the Burr carrier. On the Mazzer Mini, when installing the tamper on the doser, you'll need a flathead screwdriver and remove the 3 screws or 2 screws, depending where you would like to place the tamper. You can place it here to the side or here to the front. But one thing to note on this production model grinder is the 2 screws on the left side are actually longer than the rightmost one. So if you're putting the tamper in on the right side, the 2 longer screws need to be put in place and the other screw goes on the other side. If you're putting the tamper on this side, the smaller screw can stay on the front. When installing this tamper, it's probably better to put the 2 screws in place. Hold it with the screwdriver on this one side. Don't tighten all the way. Just have a loose fitting. And then, as you can see, you will have one screw also fall out, possibly. And this is why we want the screws in there first. Be careful not to cross thread. And then tighten this side and tighten the right side, and the tamper is held in place. And again, you can put it here on the front. We suggest keeping the screws in place if you're not using the built-in tamper, so no coffee grinds get into the thread. On the Mazzer Mini, you will see 2 screws on the top Burr carrier. The purpose of the horizontal screw is to hold the bean hopper. You'll need to remove this screw out to the point where the bean hopper could slide in and you would line up the holes. But even before doing that, just to explain, there's a vertical screw here between the 5 and 6 on this particular model. This screw actually limits the rotation from this point all the way around to this point of the grinder. There's actually an indentation under the Burr carrier, and if you go, it won't allow you to take the top Burr carrier off for cleaning unless you remove or bring up this screw. The other reason to lift the screw would be is if you're going to go to a much coarser setting. Since this is a stepless grinder, there are no set settings, so it's kind of difficult to remember where your espresso setting is versus your French press and how many rotations you may have to go, or for drip. So we don't recommend this grinder for multiple brew methods, but if you do need to go coarser or for cleaning, this screw does need to be removed. Now that we've loosened and brought out this horizontal screw, we'll line up the holes, tighten the screw in, and if you feel any resistance on this screw, means you're hitting the plastic. So don't force it, because it should go in nice and easily to hold the bean hopper. Now you can see there is still some play. This is normal on this grinder, as it is for many commercial grade grinders. We have the knob here for adjusting the grinder. This is just a close-up from what we went over before, and there are multiple holes around the top Burr carrier. You just screw that in like that, and you kind of want to set this towards the back of the grinder, and nice screeching sound there, because when you get to the front, it's kind of hard to change the settings with the doser cover on. As you notice here, there are stickers. We'll take it out, and we're going coarser, so we don't really need the grinder running. Mostly you should do it when it's going finer, but best to practice in both ways. This tells you the motor rotation, this sticker here, and this sticker here just reminds you that this way is coarser and that way is finer. And also right here is the mechanism to allow the beans to drop into the grinding chamber. And if you want to stop it and then take out the screw that holds the bean hopper to take out the bean hopper, you can. On the Mazzer Mini doser grinder, you can dose out how much ground coffee will end up in your portafilter. You can change the amount of dose, but there's a little work required. There are 2 screws that are holding the safety mechanism in the doser. So you'll take one screw out on this side, which is a Phillips head screw. Take out the screw on the other side. And this safety device is actually a finger guard. We don't recommend operating the grinder without this. They want you to prevent someone sticking their fingers in here. And then in here, which we already have coffee in here, there is an adjustment knob. And this one is really smooth. There's practically no click settings. And when you're rotating counterclockwise, you are increasing the dose because the nut in there is coming upwards, and the sliding plate that's right here, or the cutting plate, is actually moving up. If you want to decrease the dose, go clockwise on the nut. And then at this point, you'll have your portafilter on the fork, and you'll dose out the coffee to see if that's the proper amount. A nifty little feature on the Mazzer Mini doser grinder is that the dosing fork is actually adjustable. What happens is when you're dosing the coffee, sometimes it tends to come out on this side of the chute. So there are 2 screws that are underneath the dosing fork, and all you need to do is loosen them, and you can adjust the dosing fork from side to side. Also, when the grinder is running, you will see this red light go on. And that's just to let you know that it is running. Of course, you can definitely hear the grinder, which is pretty quiet when grinding coffee.